Hi there, I'm Lynn Watanabe McFarland with Intero Real Estate Services, and I would love to welcome you to 2 Brooktree Lane in beautiful Pasatiempo. So Pasatiempo, many people in the valley don't know this hidden gem, and it is in a private gated community in Santa Cruz, and it's a golf community, but you don't have to be a golfer to appreciate this lovely 4-bedroom, 3-bath Georgian architecture. So a little bit of history about this property. This property was owned for 31 years by a famous architect in Silicon Valley, and he loved this property. The family loved to curate art from all around the world, and you can tell by the detail of work in each room as well as the outside. And so within Georgian architecture, you can see these lovely bay windows and the little alcove for the kitchen that overlooks this gorgeous, stunning European style gardens where they hosted many events, weddings, and parties here. And so this home is perfect for a secondary home or a property for you, because this is a great street. It's at a dead end, so it's quiet. Nobody is going up and down the street. And it has a private gate to get to Graham Hill, to Scotts Valley. So the Scotts Valley schools are excellent. I would love to host you this Saturday from 1 to 4 p.m. Please come and join me for some coffee and some pie. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend.